Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the Silver Collection milestone in Bgmi Events or Achievements tab. This is where progress tracks. Once found, confirm the exact requirements: total match count, silver shards needed, and any time-limited tasks. You should immediately prioritize tasks you can complete right now, like daily logins and quick matches, because they stack. Make sure your inventory space and account level match the milestone prerequisites. If not, clear space and play a few low-risk matches to raise your standing. Now you actively gather the necessary silver components. Focus on short mode matches, TDM and arcade, because they yield shards quickly. Play with consistent objectives to minimize time wasted. Use mission filters to prioritize tasks that explicitly reward silver or milestone progress, and redeem any event coupons or duplicate item exchanges for extra shards. Once done, track accumulation in the milestone panel so you don't overshoot required items. Make sure to claim intermittent. You finalize the milestone by double-checking each subtask and pressing claim for the Silver Collection rewards. This ensures nothing is left uncollected. If progress seems stuck, first force close Bgmi, switch to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network, and log back in. This refresh often fixes sync issues. If the milestones still won't update or rewards don't arrive, take screenshots of your progress and contact in-game support. Provide timestamps and event names so they can resolve it faster, and consider retrying after a short wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.